Hi guys, this is Gerda here from Lodana Fashion Design Academy. Welcome to my fabric room. As you can see, I have shelves after shelves of fabrics. I have a lot of fabrics. I can even open a fabric store. But what I found to be working for me is the fact that I kind of roll them up, and I get more space when I do that, as opposed to what I used to do. I used to actually have all my fabrics folded in a square and then just lay them flat. And what I've noticed, the crease around the fabric sometimes, especially if it takes like a couple of years, they tend to be the crease tend to stay on the fabric even if you iron them very hard. But what I've come up with, and it worked for me, and I'm very happy that I came up with the idea and actually take the fabric, a piece of fabric, because I have a lot of small pieces, 3, 4, 5 yards, or even 2 yards, or even half a yard. So what I roll it very small, or whatever size I can, and then I actually place it around. So that way it takes more space, and then the fabric does not hold a lot